Another story, another video, another crazy story, another episode. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to call a spade a spade. It's time to move, because we're in 2025 and we have to move very fast and move with a lot of speed. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to go straight to the point and say it the way I saw it, or saw all the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, every social media platform. I saw crazy things in Bulawayo, in Matebele province, in Matebele region. I saw crazy things. Right. This became my random thoughts in my mind, random thoughts in my brain. This became my random contemplations in my head, in my brain, in my mind, as I was thinking and pondering upon it. I'm like, what? When I was there in Bulawayo for 3 weeks, 21 days, I was staying in the main street, Bulawayo CBD main street, at Prime Harris Hotel, Prime Harris Lodge. I was seeing a lot of Ndebele people talking, socializing, observing a lot of things, observing the people in Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city, especially in terms of clothing, particularly in terms of clothes. I did not see a lot of maybe Nike products, Nike clothes, or Adidas clothes, Adidas clothing, all this branded clothing. I never saw something along that line, something in that direction. Maybe putting on branded clothes, wearing branded clothes, branded clothing. For example, Nike, for example, Adidas, for example, Umbro, for example, Levi, for example, Converse, for example, Reebok. I never saw something in that line. I was very surprised down to the core. I was very shocked down to the core. Because where I'm coming from Mashonaland, from Harare, it's a common thing. It's a common practice to see people wearing either Nike clothing or Adidas clothing, Reebok clothing, Umbro clothing, Levi clothing, or maybe All-Star Converse clothing. Even from South Africa, where I was for the past 15 years, 15 good years, where I was in South Africa, it's a common thing. It's a common phenomenon to see somebody, a guy, a man, a woman, a lady, a boy, a girl, dressed in branded clothing, branded clothes, Nike, Adidas, Levi, Reebok, or maybe Fubu, Converse, and other brands. But in Bulawayo, when I was there, when I was checking, when I was analyzing, investigating, assessing, observing deep down, I didn't see something along that line, something in that direction. I'm asking you, Ndebele people, I'm asking you, Bulawayo people, what is the issue? What is the problem? How do you explain this to me? How do you describe this to me? How do you put this thing into words, into statements? How do you put this thing into a dialogue with me, into a conversation with me? How do you put it in terms of wearing branded clothing, branded clothes? What do you say? What is your take? What is your submission? Ndebele people, talk to me. Ndebele people, engage with me in a dialogue, in a conversation, in the comment section. Why don't you wear branded clothing? Why don't you put on branded clothes? Nike, Adidas, Converse, Levi, All Star, Why? What is the problem? Is it a money problem? Is it a cash problem? Is it a financial problem? Or maybe just the general lack of interest? You are not interested in these brands, in these clothing brands, in this branded clothing thing. These were my random thoughts in my head, random, honest thoughts in my head, in my mind, in my brain. I'm just saying them out to you to know what I'm thinking about you. Write in the comment section, type in the comment section. I'm done talking. Peace and sharp.